Hey everyone, Freddie here, fired up, excited, happy Saturday. Just wanted to come on and share with you guys some stories, just having some great success with the digital marketing platform, interactive training, if you will. You know, people keep on asking me, what is it? You know, are you just reselling the program? Absolutely not. You know, yes, you can resell the program, you make 100% profit. So if you sell a program for $900, you're gonna get $900. If you sell it once a day, you make $900 a day. If you sell it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, like it's happened to myself and others, then you make the equivalent, right? But more than that, you've got a whole email marketing funnel system that you can apply to any business. And more importantly, a training that is very, very interactive, very, very intense. Just, you know, for those that really want to learn how to market online, attraction marketing, for those that really are looking for a way to market their services or product, whatever that is. It could be in network marketing, it could be I don't know, you sell colognes, it could be you have a travel agency. I don't know what it is that you have or what you want to sell. Even if you want to create something, it walks you step by step with that. So it's like an academy, if you will, of internet marketing, of attraction marketing, of digital marketing. And guys, the digital marketing business is huge. Forbes says it'll be the next $1 trillion industry, doing $1 billion in e-learning. E-learning is doing $1 billion in sales a day. So guys, you definitely don't want to miss this. Go to digitalpaysmedaily.com to get the information, get informed. Don't assume what it is. Put your email, read through everything, listen to everything, and make a decision. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care, God bless, and hope you guys have a great weekend. Peace.